So for today's how-to of the day, we are going to try and open the broken glove box on this Ford territory. For this project, we're not going to need any special tools. This is just a makeshift tool, I suppose you could call it. It just needs to be thin so that we can get in the back here to get to the lock. So to make our life easier, what we're going to do is we're going to remove this plastic black panel here, which should just unclip. There we go. And that's off. Now, that's given us a bit more room from up here to get to the lock. There we go. It's that simple. Done it. And that's how it's done. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and share, maybe even subscribe, so that How to Pete can keep going. See you on the next one. Is we are going to pop this. It's very simple, you don't have to do much, just pop this side off. It's been a bit stubborn, but it does pop off. Maybe not. Okay, so to make our life easier, we're going to pop this little panel off. It's just held in there with clips, just to give us more room to get from the bottom of it.